Hey guys, this is Zaman from PowerPoint School, and today I will show you how to make this motion graphic CV step by step in just PowerPoint. As this is going to be a long tutorial, I'll try my best to make it as specific as I can. So if it is possible, please try to watch this video till the end. And without wasting any further time, let's start the tutorial session. Here you can see that we have already taken a blank slide. So first, to change the background color, go to design, click on format background. From here, I'll pick this light gray color. Now close it. Go to home. Pick a text box. Drag it over here. Add some text. Here I'm typing home. Select all the text. Change the font to TWCENMT. Make it bold. Change the font color. Make it center. Now what we need to do, go to format, click on rotate, select rotate left 90 degree. Then bring it to here. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate. Place it here. Change the text to about. Place it here, make another copy. Change the text to skills. Maintain the same gap. Make another copy, change the text to portfolio. Make the last copy and change the text to contact. Now press Ctrl A to select all the text boxes, and here I am changing their position a bit. After that, we have to make a few duplication of this slide, so right click on it and select duplicate slide, or you can just press Ctrl D to duplicate. We need 5 different slides. So here let's come to our first slide, select this home text, change the font color. Go to the second slide, select the about text, change the font color. Go to the third slide, select the skills, change the font color again. Go to the third one, do the same, select the portfolio text and change its color. Do the same for the final one. Select the contact text and change its color. Now let's get back to our first slide. And here we have to pick a oval shape. Holding the Ctrl Shift, drag it over here. Go to format, click on shape fill, change its color to white. Go to shape outline, select no outline. From shape effect, set the shadow to this. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate. Change this color from shape fill. Holding Ctrl Shift, we need to resize it a bit. Now place it here in the middle. Then to add your own picture, go to insert, click on picture, and from here I'll pick this sample image. You can use your own picture here. Place it here in the middle. Now we have to pick this speech bubble. Drag it over here. Decrease its size from this side so that it looks like a circle. Make it a bit bigger. Drag this yellow dot. Go to format, click on shape fill, change its color. From shape outline, select no outline. Now pick a text box, drag it over here. Here I'm typing hello. Select all the text, change the font to TWCENMT, make it center, change the font color to this light gray, make it bold, increase the size of this font, place it in the middle, select this two, press Ctrl G to group. Now move this thing a bit upward, and then we have to pick a rectangle. Drag this under these circles. Go to format, click on shape fill, change its color. From shape outline, select no outline. Place it here in the middle. Pick a text box again. Drag it over this rectangle. Here add some text. I'm typing my name is, and change the font to TWCENMT, make it bold, center, font color to this light gray. increase the size of this text and place it in the middle. Make a duplicate of this text box, select all the text, change the color, and here you can type your own name. After that, we have to go forward to our second slide. So we are here on our about slide, pick a rectangle, drag it over here, go to format, click on shape fill, change its color to this ash. From shape outline, select no outline, pick a text box, drag it over this rectangle, add some text, change the font to TWCENMT, make it bold, change the font color to this light gray, make it center and increase the size, place it here in the middle, make some changes of the size of this rectangle. Then we have to make a duplicate of this rectangle, bring it to down, make sure there's a small gap, change its color from shape fill, increase the size of this one, select the previous text box, press Ctrl D to make a duplicate, bring it to here, increase the size of it. Here I'm typing motion graphics, select all the text, make it a bit bigger and change the size of this rectangle from the both side. Now make another copy of this rectangle, bring it to down, make sure there's a small gap, change the size of it, make a duplicate of our previous text box, bring it to down. Here I'm typing designer, increase the font size, place it here in the middle, change the size of this rectangle again from both sides and place this text box in the middle. Now what we need to do, we will just make a copy of this one here, change the text, and in the same way you have to make a few copy of these rectangles and text boxes as the process is same as before. So here I am doing it in fast forward mode. You just need to make a few duplication of these rectangles and text boxes and place them in their accurate position. That's it. So after doing so, we have to select these elements and press Ctrl G to group, and these elements press Ctrl G to group. Now place this group of elements here and do the same for the second one. After that, let's move forward to our third slide, which is skills. And for this slide, pick a rectangle first, drag it here, go to format, from shape fill change its color, from shape outline select no outline. Then pick a text box, drag it over this rectangle. Here I'm typing technical skills, selecting all the text, change the font to TWCENMT, make it bold, change the font color to this light gray, center, increase the size of this font, place it here in the middle. Then press Ctrl D to make a duplicate of this text box. Select all the text, change the font color, decrease the size of the font, make it left align. Here I'm typing PowerPoint, a skill name. Place it here. Make a duplicate of this rectangle. Bring it to here. Decrease the size of it. Place it in the middle. Change its color from shape fill. Press Ctrl D to make another copy. Change its color to this. Place it over the previous one. Resize it from the right side. Select this text box holding Ctrl Shift. Drag it over here and it will be duplicated. Here I'm typing the percentage. Select all of these. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. Bring it to here, press Ctrl D few times more and you will get something like this. Now from here you just need to change the name of your skills and the percentage. That's really easy. Here you just need to change the text and the percentage box with your skills and decrease the size of the rectangle according to the percentage. And after doing that, we will have something like this. And now select these two and press Ctrl G to group. Now let's move forward to our next slide, which is the portfolio one. Pick a oval shape, holding Ctrl Shift, make it like this. Change its color from shape fill to white, make it no outline. From shadow, select this one. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Change its color, resize it, place it here in the middle. Make another copy of it, change its color, bring it to here. Now holding the Ctrl button, we have to select these two. From merge shape, select subtract. Now make another copy of this white circle, make it a smaller one, bring it to here. Holding the Ctrl button, we have to select these two. From merge shape, select subtract. After that, pick a text box, drag it here, add a number, selecting the number, change the font to TWCENMT, make it bold, change the font color to this one, increase the size of it, make it center, and place it here in the middle. Make another copy of this text box. Here I'm typing project. Decrease the font size, place it over here. Then select all of these, bring it to down, holding Ctrl Shift, drag it to right, and it will be duplicated. Do the same once again. Here now I'm just changing the number, and then go to insert, click on picture, and from here I'll pick this icons which I have already downloaded from flaticon.com. You can add your own. So place this icon over here and this one over here. Now select all of these. Here I'm just changing their position a bit, and let's move forward to our last slide. I'm in the contact one. For this slide, I'll go back to here, select this group of elements, press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl V to paste. Change the text, decrease the size of the text box and the rectangle. Place it here in the middle, and then bring it to down a bit, press Ctrl D to duplicate, go to format, from rotate, select rotate left 90 degree, bring it to down. Here again change the text and decrease the size of this font, decrease the size of the rectangle also, place it in the middle, take it a bit upward, then go to insert, click on picture, and from here I'll pick few of these icons which I have already downloaded from flaticon.com. I'll give the link in the video description. Here you need to place these icons one by one and make sure that the gaps are same. And then we have to make a copy of this text box, bring it to here, select all the text, change the font color, decrease the size of this font, set left align, place it here, change the text, press Ctrl D to duplicate this text box, place it here, press Ctrl D few times more, and then you just need to change the text according to your need. And here we are done with creating all the necessary elements. So now we can go for adding the animation. So to add the animation, let's move forward to our first slide. Here, before adding the animation, we have to make some changes. So select this text box, right click on it and send it to back. Do the same, select this rectangle, right click on it and send it to back. Then from here, we just need to select this white circle. Deselect this red one because we only need this white circle. And to animate this, go to animation, click on animation pane to look over our animation status. Now to add the animation, click on add animation and select zoom. Then keep this on click and duration 0.30 seconds. Now we have to select this red circle. From add animation, select zoom, set start after previous, duration 0.30 seconds. select this picture. From add animation, we have to select zoom, set start after previous, duration 0.30 seconds. Select this speech bubble. From add animation, select grow and turn. Set start after previous, duration 0.50 seconds and delay 0.25 seconds. Then select this text box, move it to upward, select this rectangle. From add animation, select more entrance effects and we have to select this expand, press OK. Set start after previous, duration 0.50 seconds and delay 0.50 seconds. Select this text box. From add animation, we have to select lines, drag this red dot over here. From here, set start after previous, duration 0.50 seconds and delay 0.10 seconds. Now select this text box. From add animation, select fly in, set start after previous, duration 0.2025 seconds and delay 0.25 seconds. Now if you start the slideshow, you can see that our animations of this slide is working perfectly. So now let's move forward to our second slide, and here we have to add the animation. So at first we have to pick a rectangle, drag it over here to cover this area, go to format, from shape fill change this color to this light gray so that it matches with the background. From shape outline, select no outline, then right click on it and send it to back. Holding Ctrl Shift, drag this one to this side, resize it to cover this area, and now select this group of elements, right click on it and send it to back. Do the same for this, right click and send it to back. Now select this element, from animation go to add animation, select fly in, then from effect option select from left, set on click, duration 0.75 seconds. For this second one, from add animation select fly in, from effect option select from right, set start after previous, duration 0.75 seconds and delay 0.50 seconds. If you start the slideshow, you can see that our animations are working. Now let's move forward to our next slide. We have to add the animations on these elements. But before that, let's go back to our previous slide, and from here make a copy of this rectangle. Press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl V to paste it here. Now bring this one to here, resize it in this way to cover this area. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate, bring it to here, resize it and make it like this, right click on it and send it to back. Then holding the Ctrl button, we have to select only these red rectangles, then right click and send them to back. Holding the Ctrl button, we have to select these rectangles, right click and send them to back. Now what we need to do, select this group of element, from add animation select fly in, from effect option select from right, set start on click, duration 0.15 seconds. For this text box, select fade, set start after previous and duration 0.25 seconds. Select this bigger rectangle, from add animation select fade, set start with previous, duration 0.25 seconds. For this red rectangle, from add animation select fly in, from effect option select from left, set start after previous, duration 0.75 seconds, delay 0.25 seconds. Select this text box, from add animation select zoom, set start after previous and duration 0.25 seconds. Again we have to select this text box, from add animation select fade, start after previous, duration 0.25 seconds. Select this rectangle. From add animation, select fade. Set start with previous, duration 0.25 seconds. Select this red rectangle. From add animation, select fly in. From effect options, select from left. Set start after previous, duration 0.75 seconds. And then for this percentage text box, select zoom. Set start after previous, duration 0.25 seconds. And now I will use the animation painter tool to copy and paste the animation. So select this animated object, copy the animation and paste it here. Select this animated rectangle, click on animation painter to copy and paste it here. Select this red rectangle, copy the animation, paste it here. Select this one, copy and paste. In this way you can just copy and paste all the animations. So this is really simple. You just need to select the animated one, copy the animation by clicking on animation painter tool and paste the animation on a non-animated object. As the process is same, so I'm doing it in fast forward. You just need to copy and paste the animation here, and after adding all the animation, if you start the slideshow, you can see that our animations are working. So now we have to go forward to our next slide. Here in this portfolio slide, we have to add the animations. At first, holding the control button, we have to select these two, right click and select bring to front. Do the same, select these two, right click and select bring to front. Holding the control button, select these two, right click, select bring to front. Now to add the animation, select this white circle. From add animation, select zoom. Keep this on click, set the duration 0.25 seconds. Select this red circle. From add animation, select zoom. Set start after previous, duration 0.25 seconds. For this icon, do the same. From add animation, select zoom. Set start after previous, duration 0.25 seconds. Select this number text box. From add animation, select float in. From effect option, select float down. Set start after previous, duration 0.50 seconds. Select this text box. From add animation, select zoom. Set start after previous, duration 0.25 seconds. Again we have to do the same. Select this white circle. From add animation, select zoom. Set start after previous, duration 0.25 seconds. Select this red one. From add animation, select zoom. Set start after previous, duration 0.25 seconds. For this icon, from add animation, select zoom. Set start after previous, duration 0.25 seconds. Select this number text box. From add animation, select float in. From effect option, select float down. Set start after previous, duration 0.50 seconds. Select this text box. From add animation, select zoom. Set start after previous, duration 0.25 seconds. Here again you can use the animation painter tool to copy and paste the animation. For this, select the animated object first. Click on animation painter to copy and paste the animation. Here I am doing the same. For these icons, do the same for this number. And for this text box, just copy and paste. And we are done with this slide. So now let's go forward to our last slide. Here, to add the animation, before we have to make a copy of this rectangle from this slide, press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl V to paste it here. Now resize it. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, bring it to here, cover this area also, right click on it and send it to back. Select this element from here, send it to back. Select this one, make another copy, place it here, resize it in this way. Then to add the animation on it, from add animation, select fly in. From effect options, select from right, keep this on click, set the duration 1.75 seconds. Select the second one. From add animation, select fly in. From effect options, select from right, set start after previous, duration 1 second, and then select this icon. From add animation, select zoom, set start after previous, duration 0.25 seconds. Select this text box. From add animation, select fly in. From effect option, select from right, set start after previous, duration 0.50 seconds. Select this second icon, do the same, select zoom, set start after previous, duration 0.25 seconds. Select this second text box. From here, select fly in. From effect option, select from right, set start after previous, and in this way we have to animate the rest of the elements. You can use the animation painter tool also to copy and paste the animation. For this you have to select an animated object first, click on animation painter to copy and paste on the non-animated object. In this way, again select an animated object, copy the animation, paste it here, select an animated object again and paste it here. We are almost done, but one more thing that I want to share with you guys, that is for all the fly in animation, from effect option you can increase the smooth end. This will give a better animation. So you can use this for all the fly animation. This is really simple. You just need to select that fly animation from animation pane, go to effect option and increase the smooth end and press OK. That's it. And now we have to do one more thing, that is we have to add a transition. So go to transition, select push, and to apply this same transition on each slide, we have to select this apply to all. Here your motion graphic animated CV is ready. Now if you start the slideshow, you can see that all the animations and the transition are working perfectly. You can download this template for free. As always, I have provided the download link in the video description. PowerPoint School is always trying to show the best works for you. So keep supporting us. As long as we have your support, we will continue our work. There's another thing to tell you about this template, and that is we have provided 3 different color combination for this template, and you can download all of these for free. After talking so long, my voice is totally down, so please give a like for this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get time-to-time notifications from this channel. So that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.